And welcome to the Fort Cavazos Real Estate Market Update. I am George Cass, and I'll be walking you through the data. So, this update is specifically about Belton and the statistics from May of 2023. The data that we get is from the Texas Realtors Association in conjunction with Texas A&M's Real Estate Research Center. They aggregate this data on a monthly basis for us to share with folks. So, getting into it, the median price in Belton in May of 2023 was $290,500, and that is a 18.2% year over year decline. Yeah, 18.2%. You heard it right. So let's talk about what might have happened. So median price has gone down, and a lot of you folks are probably familiar with the rise in interest rates that we've seen in the mortgage market across the country. So as of today, the uh, rate for a loan is 7.14% on average for a 30-year fixed rate conventional loan. And so that's putting a lot of downward pressure on buyers. So now a lot of the folks, when they go to pre-qualify for a loan, they're seeing a higher dollar amount, significantly higher than what they were able to see last year. In some cases, it's double that monthly payment. So that's pricing a lot of folks out of the market. And then some people who are not necessarily priced out of the market, but they're looking for lower price point homes. So in the aggregate, you have less people looking at it. So we'll keep an eye on this at minus 18%. That is significantly lower than other cities in the area, in Bell County specifically. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. When you look at this too, you got to think, from a buyer's perspective, there's a couple ways to look at this. One, you got to say, I mean, it just went down 18% year over year. How much more is it going to go down? Do I want to invest in real estate in that market? So that's, one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is, well, hey, it's 18% down from last year. Maybe I'm buying at a discount, right? I mean, if you ever, go to your favorite store and go to buy a shirt and you see that it's at 18% less than what it was the day or week before, then maybe you would consider buying it. Is it in the same case with real estate? I don't know. Well, that's for you to decide, right? In any case, the values of the homes have gone down in 1 year's time. Okay. So looking at closed sales, we are at 25. That's 8.7% year over year increase. So that just shows that there were more sales this year compared to this time last year. Active listings is 64 at 255.6% year over year growth. So more than double the amount of listings. So even in Belton, you can see it's not a really high number for listings. It's 64. But that does show that we have more listings overall. Months of inventory is 3.3, which is actually a healthier inventory compared to other cities in our market. And that's a growth of 2.6 months year over year. So that's just saying that you have more homes to choose from as compared to last year. Now, a healthy market has 6.5 months of inventory in it. So for you to consider it a balanced market. So you can see we still have room to grow here with respect to that. But most of the market that you'll see in Bell County, there's generally 2.4 months worth of supply. So everyone's low in this area just in general. For those that are looking to list their home in the near future, you can anticipate days on market to be 70 days. And then days to close is 25 for a total of 95 days. So, with that said, 95 days. Yep, that's over 3 months that your house on average is going to sit on the market before you actually close the sale. So, if you're looking to sell your home, right? So when we're recording this in June, we'll likely publish in early July. But if you're looking to sell your home, right, July, August, September, October, that's 3 months. So if you want to sell by October, you need to list your home now. Now, you can still sell it less because this is the average. Now, with less time, it just means that you need to price your house ahead of the market so that it's competing with other active listings and that you make your home the obvious choice for buyers to say, hey, that home is selling for less compared to these other properties that we like. So let's go with that one. Okay. And the fact that there's less buyers, less buyer demand in the market means it's even more important that you price your home appropriately so it doesn't sit on too many days on market. And so that's it. I hope that you got some sort of value out of this. And if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And then also, if you could, put some comments down below. I'd love to hear some questions, comments, opposing views, and get some dialogue going about what you're seeing in the market, or maybe different perspectives that you have from the ones that I expressed during this video. But in any case, I hope you have a nice day. Take care.